They close? Okay.
So you think we should go, was it give the other barrel still?
We call the person. Anyway, so one barrel is here. We have space for another one. So we just call the person and see.
I don't.
There are a couple vendors out today in Kingston. Mommy and I are trying to find this lady who supposedly has barrels to sell. Mommy saw her on Facebook Marketplace. It doesn't even look like anybody there. Up here now. Let me go up and see still. It lock up.
Open? Open?
So this is like ash in Kingston, which is nothing compared to the amount of ash that I have at my house, because I live more in the countryside and this is the city. No, mommy, I don't think anybody there. Now, trust my mother to drag me into a few stores. Kingston isn't fully open, just a couple stores where you would get essentials from. And of course, mommy wants something. So we're in Jack's. Like this is me. Ash! Ma? You find any? Oh. Where? Oh. What is this? Good enough. Alright, so we just got these 3 buckets that we could use to store water in at Jack's. And they had them, they were $22 and you get 20% off. So, yeah, it's coming along good.
Take these. Take this. Take this stick too.
You go hear yeah fushy man. Yes, I want to put in a smoothie.
And then the cup there. What's this? You don't have to wait until everybody can close them. Can't forget to watch yeah, I'll go down.
Oh.
We're doing the no problem. No problem. Is that everything?
Let me catch one. I catch one. Yeah. Do me catch one.
It is completely dark and we are still at the river. The water isn't terrible. You can see the ash like is settled at the bottom, but the actual water at the top is okay. So I was able to wash my clothes. I'm not going to bathe here because there is absolutely zero privacy. I am so tired. I have not hand washed in such a long time. But it's a good thing that a friend reminded me today, and he was like, remember your skills, remember your survival skills. So I'm in full survival mode. But that's it for this vlog, mini vlog. I don't even know how long it is. I'll see you in my next one. Thank you again so much for everybody who has been looking at my volcano vlogs. Hi, what's up to all of my new subscribers? My name is Vashell and this is my life in Vincy.